so wished to speak with the lady. And as for the court of Catalonia, for your sake I'm ashamed of it, because you had her summoned there. And a true lover must not delay if a message comes to him, but must think of going and set out on the road. For a man doesn't know his own business, or his lady's, or her need. Perhaps she has a desire to join with him, for which reason he must not delay. And when you saw your jungler who came from her to you, you should not have held back at all, not even if someone gave you Normandy. If you had a good heart to go between lawyer and Dordogne, you wouldn't have cared a bit about anyone's glance, nor should you have remembered it at all. But now you can prove if what I said is true, that a powerful man is not suited to love through courtly wooing. They have so much to worry about that the joy of love eludes them. For I would not want to have Burgundy while living in fear and secrecy. For I do not at all wish to be a baron nor of great wealth. If any man could reproach me for villainy, I prefer to laugh and joke with my lady who invites me to it. For I would not want Gascony or Brittany to rule. I turn my song toward Lord Adamar, who would know how to honor it, whom our Lord holds dear. His little Lombardy, he knows so graciously how to rule with courtliness that he does not change or waver because of threats, but rather he rings out and makes limages resound. If Count Caffrey does not withdraw, he will have Poitou and Gascony, even though he knows nothing of courtliness.